everybody, I'm Wendy with Switchcraft. We're here at NAB 2018 and I wanted to show you a couple of items that would work out great for the sound installer, in case you weren't already aware. We have this hinged panel that we call our QG panel because it's a standard XLR cutout and it fits a multitude of different connectors. Your choice, you can purchase it with it preloaded with XLRs or BNCs, whatever your flavor is of the month. Or you can pick and choose and buy whatever connectors you'd like and populate it yourself. So this is a great tool for sound installers, especially this new panel we have here, which is hinged. So that way you can actually reach the back of your connectors if you should be having a problem, so it hinges 180 degrees. So for more information, please check out switchcraft.com or techneck.com.